What's something people don't know about car theft in Australia? It happens every 11 minutes in Australia. Let's dive in. Buckle up, car owners. In 2024 alone, a staggering 38,000 vehicles were stolen across Australia. Queensland tops the charts with over 11,000 incidents. But why is this happening? Car theft is a significant issue in Australia with multiple factors at play. From outdated security systems to sheer carelessness, thieves are taking advantage. But don't panic. There are ways to protect your ride. First, consider installing a code-safe engine immobiliser. It's a simple step that can make all the difference. Also, check with your insurance company. Many now offer risk management tools to help keep your car safe. And when buying a car, ask dealerships in Australia about aftermarket security upgrades. Car theft isn't just about losing your vehicle, it's about the stress and inconvenience that follow. So be proactive. Protect your investment with layered security measures. Remember, it only takes 11 minutes for another car to vanish in Australia. Don't let it be yours. Stay safe, Australia.